In this video, you'll learn how to check the cancellation policy on Agoda so you always know exactly what happens if your plans change. Understanding the policy before you book can save you stress, time, and money, so we'll go through it slowly and clearly. First, you'll want to open a hotel listing or an existing booking on Agoda. If you're still searching for a place to stay, go to the Agoda website or app and search for your destination, your dates, and the number of guests. When the list of properties appears, choose a hotel you're interested in by clicking or tapping on the listing. This will open the full details page for that specific hotel. If you've already made a reservation and want to review the policy for a booking you've paid for, sign into your Agoda account, go to your bookings or my bookings section and select the reservation you want to check. This will open the booking details page, which includes all the information related to that stay. Once you're on either the hotel details page or the booking details page, the next step is to find the cancellation policy section. On a hotel listing before you book, scroll down through the room options. Each room type and rate plan may have its own specific cancellation rules, so look for text near the price or under the room description that mentions cancellation policy, free cancellation or something similar. You may see a short summary first and sometimes a link like more details or policy that you can click to expand. If you're viewing an existing booking, the cancellation policy is usually displayed in the booking summary. Scroll until you see a section labeled cancellation policy or booking conditions. It might appear near your stay dates, the room type, and the total amount you paid. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the policy that applies to your exact booking, not a general hotel rule. After you've located the cancellation policy section, take the time to carefully read all the terms and conditions. Pay close attention to the dates and times mentioned. Many policies are based on the local time at the property, and there might be specific cut-off times, like cancelling by a certain date at 11:59 p.m. to avoid fees. Look for whether the booking is fully refundable, partially refundable, or non-refundable. Non-refundable usually means you won't get your money back if you cancel or don't show up, while free cancellation typically applies only until a certain deadline. Also, check for any mention of penalties or fees. Some bookings charge the cost of the first night if you cancel late, while others may charge a percentage of the total stay. Make sure you understand exactly what free cancellation covers and when it expires. If you see different room options, remember that each one can have its own policy, even within the same hotel. If anything seems unclear, it's a good idea to read the policy again slowly and look for any small notes or exceptions. This extra minute now can prevent surprises later. And if you're unsure, you can always choose a room with a clearer or more flexible cancellation option. By opening the hotel listing or your booking, finding the cancellation policy section, and reading those terms and conditions in full, you'll know exactly where you stand before you finalize or change your reservation on Agoda.